Hello YouTube and welcome to one of the most professionally done device recordings ever done. I mean, I really love this part of the screen right here. This is great, but I can't really make it work any other way. But that's okay, because we're here to check out a $25 smartwatch from Wyze. I like their products. I have cameras from them. I have the new headsets from them. And I've enjoyed both of those, so I'm very excited to see what a $25 smartwatch is all about. Because hey, if it's great, I'm all for it, instead of spending 200 bucks for an Apple Watch or something from Samsung or whatnot. So we're gonna open this up, and it's gonna be a fantastic time. It's as simple as that. So let's get that out of the way. I like the packaging already. I do like that. But there it is, the Wyze Watch. I hope I got the right size. I didn't really look into it too much, but I guess we're about to find out. So it has sleep tracking and all that. I'm going to get better shots with the camera as well, rather than it just being web camera. But it says sleep tracking, customizable screens, and it is waterproof. It has women's health tracking, activity and heart rate tracking, and blood oxygen level tracking. So pretty high, features, considering it's $25. So I mean, I'm excited. And then I will leave it in the description, the link to the website if you want to purchase it as well. Right now it's only I'm still thinking it's a beta product, so there's that gone. Oh, and there it is. Look at that. It's very nice packaging. I like it. Oh boy, I'm really hoping I picked the right size, because I'm just gonna be upset because there's like a size chart, but I was like, oh, look at that adapter to charge this. Really wish this would focus better, but you get the point. It's a weird looking thing. All right, now that we have that out of the way, gotta figure out how to get this thing out. Maybe there we go. Hey, and there it is. Okay, never mind. It's looking pretty good for me. So first of all, let's get this off the screen here. Oh, look at this is really nice feeling, actually. I was expecting, something a bit cheaper, nothing too crazy, but this is nice. And now let's see how long it takes for me to get this on without completely failing in here. Well, anyways, that's what it looks like on my wrist. Pretty nice size screen there. Let me see if I can get it on. There we go. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, that's perfect. Yeah, that's the perfect size. All right, so now, ouch. Oh, God, I just broke a toe, I think. All right. I'm assuming that this is the power button. Oh, yeah, there it is. Oh, scan the QR code with the Wyze app to bind. Well, you know what? I think what we'll do is we might swap over to the phone. That way I can just kind of record everything from that. Plus, add device. All right. So now we're on my phone where we're going to be adding this. We'll see how nice and easy this is. So we're going to, I'm assuming lifestyle. Yep, there it is. Wyze Watch 47. Take photos while using app. Yes, that's fine. All right, now we'll, oh, hang on. Now I took too long. It's not happy. There it is. All right, now it's pairing. And succeeded. Ooh. I'm wearing it on my right hand. Swipe left to see apps, swipe right to see data. Okay. Ooh. This is actually really, I like this. This is great. Okay. So we don't need the screen anymore. I don't know how I'm gonna, oh boy. All right, this is how it's gonna be done here. We got full functionality of a nice camera and this. So now we can kind of look around a little bit. So swiping right gets you to the apps. Swiping left brings you to data. And then I'm assuming a long press bring me customizable. Yeah, there it is. Oh God, hang on. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's nice. That's pretty neat too. So there's 3 options. I'm hoping there'll be more eventually. I'm gonna go with that. That looks nice. Whew. That's nice and clean. All right, so let's see what happens with some of these apps here, huh? Oh, and I went to the data one. Great. That's not what I meant to do. Of course, the first app I pick is that. Okay, let's do the star. What's this about? Shortcut is not set. Please set in the Wyze app. Okay. Timer. Do 3 minutes. What does this look like? Pretty simple. You want to cancel the timer? Yes, I do. I like the screen. It's very responsive. I don't feel like, I mean, it's kind of hard to do this while recording from the screen and crap, but. And I'm sorry, I'm no hand model either, so. This is all going wrong. But from what I can see, it's a very nice screen. I like that. What's this one about? Countdown. Go. Oh, so you can just track a run or whatever? Okay. Nice. Look at that 6-second run. World record. Alright. The time of this exercise is too short to record the data. Okay. Okay, the next test I want to do, I'm going to swap back to the webcam. I want to see how fast the reading is for heartbeats and whatnot. Alright, so we're back here. Now we can do this. Heart rate. And I'll flip this. It'll still look kind of garbage, but you'll get the point. I really wish this webcam had a better resolution, but we'll see if I even have this on right. Hello? There it is. 108 beats per minute. Ooh. See, recording is very nerve-wracking. So we have that one. Takes a little bit, but not, again, considering this is $25, this is pretty nice. I like the build quality of it. I like the band. This is very good so far. I'm very excited. Like I said, I'm hoping that there'll be more customization items down the road. Let me kind of put that, or you can kind of see it here. This is blood oxygen, which I don't know what's good or not. Hopefully it's nothing bad. It's 97%. Or 8, yeah, there we go. See, that's a good number, I guess. I don't really know. But yeah, other than that, I'm liking this. It's a very nice watch that I'm happy I spent 25 bucks on it. Because you know what? It does everything I need it to. Lets me know the time and everything. I'm interested to see. We're going to go back to the phone because I'm wanting to see what, if there's any settings we can mess with on this. Alright, so we're back to the user guide. We didn't look through everything here. Swipe down to see notifications. Oh, okay, I didn't even know that. Hang on, I'll show that really quick too. We'll kind of swipe through everything. Nice, so there's messages. And if you swipe up, you get a little thing. Change the brightness. We'll keep it at medium. Connecting the phone. The phone is ringing. Oh. Okay. Quick feature to... Okay, it stops. And do not disturb. Quick settings as well. Okay. Back to the phone we go. Swipe right to back. Long press to restart or shut down. Pretty simple. Long press the screen to select face. And there's that. Okay. Enjoy your Wyze watch. I will. Oh, hang on. Oh, we're upgrading the watch now too. Oh, look at that. It even has a little screen there. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Yes, you can. Look at that. All right. That makes me happy. You can even have custom photos on there if you wanted to. Very nice. Okay, that makes me happy to see that because I thought it was just those 3 to begin with. So to have that option is really nice. Allow notifications. Oh, that's off? I can't. I'm trying to turn this on without turning off the recording. And this is in the way. There we go. Oh, and then you can just change what you want to have. Okay, nice. I'll have to go through that later. Stretch reminder. Stretching and moving around every 50 minutes is a healthy practice. Turn on this function for movement reminders. Change your activity goal, of course, 10,000 steps, and I don't know what this is. 250 calories per day is what its defaults as. Do not disturb, raise to wake. Wearing wrist. Oh, that's how you change that. Okay. And running in the background. Weather. Set location automatically. And shortcuts. I wonder what this is about. Create a new shortcut. Mute notifications. Oh, no. Can you really? Oh, I was about to say, I was like, can you view the camera? You can just turn it on or off, I guess. I was about to say, that would have been crazy. But alright, everybody. I think that's basically it. We looked at everything there. We updated it. And yeah, so with that being said, here, let's go back to the nice camera here. So, yeah, honestly, I wouldn't, if you would give this to me randomly, I wouldn't think it's a cheapo watch. It has great functionality, it has great things that you would want, and it's $25. It's a nice build. I love the band. The screen looks really nice and crisp. It's really, really nice, and I'm going to make it my main smartwatch. Very excited to continue using this, and I hope you guys have enjoyed taking a look at it. Again, link will be in the description for this watch if you're interested in looking at it more. And yeah, so with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys next time. See ya.